Hello guys, welcome to my video. Let's see, let's see on the top. I wonder what you see here. I remember who. Tom. It's Kuya Tom. Hi guys, Kuya Tom, meet my friends. Give a subscribe button if you like this one. Don't go give us a thumbs down. From here, we have the funniest thing. What up? Here is Bolly. He's just hanging in the house. Wow. What we do it like this? We just throw it away around the... Do you like it, Gado? Mario! Yakan! At here is... Teka mo ginawa ko. Wow! Kuya Tom is great at this. And here is any Bolly. You have to do... See that? And don't forget to add the pink subscribe. Do you like it? No, thumbs up. And here is 24 oras. And here is Papa. And here is Lola Lucy. Here is Tita Sandy's work. And here is actually may protection siya. And here is Kuya Tom rubbing up the balloon. Look at this. Here is Hello Kitty. And here is 24 oras. And here is Kuya Tom. Kuya Tom. Here, Kuya Tom. Here is Kuya Tom. Kuya Tom is right here. Yes, Kuya Tom. Look at this, guys. And we're now playing balls again. Do you like it? Give a thumbs up and give a subscribe button and do what you want. Okay, guys, that's it for today. That's it for today. Time to say goodbye to Kuya Tom. Now it's time for the comments. And like. Woo! So guys, which picture what kind of thing do you like to do? Write your favorite things in the comments. So this is me coming out.